Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I fix the new user account can't log into the jump box issue. So normally we have created a jump box server Windows 2016, and it was in the same subnet of the as the domain controller before, and we have already joined the computer jump box server to the Active Directory domain, and I was able to log into the server with a test account and also domain admin account file because they are in the same subnet. And after that, we create a new VLAN 11, and with different subnet and gateway, and then we create the new network in the vSphere vCenter called DMZ, tag VLAN 11, and on the switch 1. Because there are two NICs for the vSwitch 1, we need to configure the two switch ports, on the main switch, physical switch, and change the port from access mode to trunk mode to allow the VLAN 1 and VLAN 11 traffic through, and we encapsulate the .1Q on the two ports on the switch. So this is set up successfully. Then we change the jump box from server from the production network to the DMZ network, and also set up the jump box to different IP in the new IP subnet, and we set up the ACL on the switch to allow the jump box to access specific IP addresses. Now we need to allow the vendors to connect to the vendor VPN first, and then from the vendor VPN log into the jump box server only with his vendor account in the domain control in the Active Directory. After he log into jump box, he can connect to the other IP address servers from the jump box, which is also restricted from the switch ACL. We only allow him to communicate a specific IP address from the jump box. Then we need to configure the switch ACL to allow the vendor to log into jump box server with his account in Active Directory. Because before that we use the test account was already cached on the server itself. Then even without the domain controller, we can log in fine. But if for the new user account, if you log into the jump box with the new account in the Active Directory, we need it needs to communicate with the domain controller to get authenticated. So first thing we check from the internet, we open the TCP port and the UDP 88.389.464 636.53 for DNS and 3268.3269. We open this port from the jump box to the two domain controllers. However, still when user logs into the jump box with the user account, it shows apply user profile for some time, and then it shows logout and stuck at the logout. So user even can't log out from this jump box server. I try to reset the virtual machine, the jump box in the vCenter, and I get apply in computer settings. This just shows like this for a long time. Then what I do is I just open the port 3654 RPC, 137 and 445 for SMB to the domain controller, and we start the server again. I still get the applying computer settings on the screen. Then I need to disconnect the network, the DMZ network, because when it's connected to the DMZ network, it shows like this. When I disconnect the DMZ network, I can get the auto control auto delete window pop up. Then I check from Microsoft website I get this article from the website. It shows we need to open the port 45152 to 65535 because this port range is very important. If this one is not opening, we just get this one above. After we change the ACL rule to allow this traffic through, this 49152 to 65535, and then we can successfully start the server, start this Jumpbox server, and also we can log into the Jumpbox with the new user account in Active Directory. Fine. Not just the cached account, just use the brand new account. So it's all good fine now. So that's why I show you.